Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for the cracking week. Today we are going to be making, well, made one with you because these are extremely time consuming, obsessing things to make. They're just like little beaded embellishment and they are so addicted to make, but you need to be, well, it doesn't help the fact that I have big hands, put it that way. But I love them, and there's an angel here. I love it. That's one of my favorite. Okay, keep watching, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, guys, so I have an idea in my head. I just hope it's gonna work. So I've got some labels, if you want to call them, in my stash, and of course we've done this paper a couple of weeks ago or last week, can't remember now. So what I wanted to see, I wanted to create some layered, like not beaded, like not jeweled. Right, I got things in my head I can't even explain. So I want to make some embellishment that's got some layers, and also perfect. And also some dangly thing. Now, what I wanted, though, but I don't know if it's going to work. I can definitely get another 6. So, let me move it so it's centered-ish. Oopsie. Oh, perfect-ish. I don't really care as long as it's circled. I want to see if I can get this too. It might not work. It might not work. No. Let me try with a star. I think it's a bit too small. Let me try with this. So basically, guys, what I'm trying to do, I want to layer some ephemera. Oh, ish. I could probably prep them off camera because otherwise it will be here till July. And I come back and show you how I wanted to put it together. Okay, let's do that. Right, I'm gonna attempt to make one with you guys, and I know it's gonna go disaster because every time project like this that require not being clumsy and require a lot of precision and time, I always end up messing it up. See, already this is not cutting through. Right, what color should we do? Should we do this? Do this. Okay, then I put this as the base. So I just simply made a layer of that, make a hole, put the eyelet, and then I'm gonna use this pin here. And I think just trying to see what I've got here. I might put 2 of these pearls. Oh no, because they won't go through. Never mind. I'm going to put the number 6. So I just literally pierced the number 6. And I think I'm going to go for this really nice deep bottom. So, oopsie daisy, where is it? So put that through, put the number 6 through, put through the eyelet and close it. Okay. And this is simply, if I can speak, what I've done. So they're literally embellishment, like beaded, if you want to call it. I've got glue. Let me show you. So, in fact, let me tidy up first because I know my... Oh, they will end up everywhere. I promise you 2 seconds. That goes there. They go inside this little tiny pocket. Could it be any smaller? But never mind. Because if I don't do this on camera, guys, as I'm showing you things, I'm sure they will end up on the floor. So bear with me 20 seconds. See, I try not to make my video extremely long because I'm conscious that you guys got lots of other videos to watch. So, oh yeah, let me close this eyelet situation too. Oopsie. 2 more, guys, and I'm all yours, I promise you. Perfect. This was an organza bag with what do you call it, lavender seeds, and then I ended up using, right, so let me show you what I made. So in my stash I made a wallet. In fact, there is a video on my channel, these paper beads, can you see them there? And then I bought in bulk those wings. So I made some angels. Again, there is a lot of videos on my channel how to make these cute little angels. So on this one here, I have used blue button because the angel is blue. And I think blue and burgundy is a really nice contrast. But the head of an angel is that little diamante. On here, I have used a pearl. Okay. And then on those 2, I just play with buttons, with anything that you guys have in your stash, and just create some layers. And then on here, I had this really big sun, like a little jewel there. And then this one that we just done together, the number 6 and the red button. So guys, I hope I gave you some ideas on how to make some layered, jeweled ephemera pieces. Like, I call them junk journal jewelries. I don't know why. I like the idea of a junk journal have some jewelries too, like we all do. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving a very big thumbs up, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, and basically you tell YouTube that you like my content, and it really good support. I will see you on Wednesday for another VIP freebie video, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.